here we are with another video that I filmed over a year ago, but I'm editing it anyways because I want to get a video posted. What am I doing in my life? Oh, look at that little Arvin. Oh, 2 years ago, he's so young and stupid. Hello, my name... Give me a second. My name is Arvin Singh. What are we building today? I made such a big mess. So today we're making an all-in-one FPV camera module. Why am I making this? Coming up is my little cousin's birthday. He's turning 5. Lately, he's been pretty obsessed with FPV. So here are the materials. The FPV module has literally everything in it besides the goggles for it to work. Ow, my knee. Battery, camera, a fan to cool down the camera, switch to turn it on, the LED, Arduino Nano, so that after 10 minutes when it's been on, it starts beeping like crazy, just so my little cousin doesn't accidentally leave it on forever. And here's a buzzer. And my goal is to make this extremely easy to use and child-friendly. And now it is soldering time. In order to power the whole thing with this battery, we also need a 5-volt module because the camera is powered off of 5 volts. So I just... Why do they make these things so hard to open? Dang it. How do you pronounce this? Onion. The boards are actually married together, so I'm just gonna... Oh, that's satisfying. I think that's a pretty friendly beep. Okay, there we go. We got 10 minutes on the timer. So after 10 minutes, my little cousin will have to turn this off and turn it back on if he wants to continue using it. Here we have a 3D printed case I made. It's blue, because I like blue. Now I'm gonna turn it on and see if it works. Wow, it actually works. Maybe because I tested it off camera. What the? Here we have a green light so we can know it's on. Here's a fan to cool down this stupid little FPV camera. Here is the plug to plug in the FPV camera, because when I assemble this, it's all gonna be one piece. This also doubles as a power bank. This is the battery that powers everything. Anyways, I'm gonna assemble it in 3, 2, 1. And guess what? It freaking works. Amazing. So now with these goggles, I should be able to see through it. I can see myself. Hello. It is time to wrap the present, which is gonna go in a box, and I'm gonna wrap it. I'll give you a hint. You need to turn on all the switches.
What?
Oh, wow. He doesn't know how to turn on the goggles. Is this a rock? This is a rock. You know what time it is? It's temperature test time. Let's test this bad boy's off-roading skills.
Shut up and sit down.
Fucking scared me, bro.
It's a good transition, it's fine. It seems to be working really well. It counts as off-roading, right? Uphill test. No, no, no. Come on. Yeah! Range test. Speed test. I think we're breaking the speed limit. Battery test. It dead. Street legal test. People are looking. This is so stupid. There's a lot of people looking at me, and I'm okay with it. Next up, heat test. This is my homemade jet engine, and you should totally go and check out the video I made on it. Now let's destroy the car. My car is dead! Just kidding. Was that a good joke?
I don't know.
I was convinced that this was, in fact, a great gift. I'm not so sure whether or not this car will just end up deserted in a corner of the house in a couple of days, but I do know that I now have another semi-yearly video completed. I also apparently have a paparazzi next door. Stop. Stop, Keon, stop, Keon, stop, stop. Stop, 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 stop. Oh. What the heck are you doing?
Go to Malik.
We went through enough legs today. Bye.